You know, whenever I'm rubbing my hands, you know what it means. It don't mean it's cold in here. It don't mean I couldn't afford the electric. No, it don't mean that. It means I got another juicy tip. It's Tyrone, founder and CEO of Logic Pro Academy, back with another great video for you. Let's jump right in like I always do. So what we're going to be doing here is talking about markers and how that can make your arrangement and just general productions a lot smoother. Help you keep track of things. So just quickly play this one little 4 bar that I've got here. I'm definitely going to make a beat out of this, but at some stage. So first, what I'm going to do is just make a fake arrangement. So 8 bar, then I might just duplicate a couple times and drag it down. Alright, that's enough. Don't need to do overkill. Copy this across a couple times. Delete these. Then have that build up. Then this might be chorus section. Then back to a verse. Then back to a chorus section. Then outro, because it's a very short song. Because I just want it to be a short song. If that's all right with you, I want it to be. No, I'm joking. I don't want no smoke from you. All right. So basically, I'm gonna pretend this is a full song, a full project that you've done. Markers just makes it easy to see what section that you're working in visually. And just to make sure that this, I'm not entirely certain if this is an advanced tool or not. So just to make sure, what you're going to want to do is go to Logic Pro, Preferences, Advanced Tools, and make sure Show Advanced Tools is on. So just click that. If it's not on, just turn that on. All right. Now, what you're going to want to do is hit this little button here and click plus to add a marker. So let me show you what that does. First, I'm going to do the intro section marker. Double click, change it to intro. Then when you want to add another marker, you drag the playhead to where you want the marker to begin and click plus again, and that creates another marker. I'll name this chorus. So what ends up happening when you close this button, as you can see at the top, it's just given a little label / marker. And this can be really helpful, especially when you finish doing the rest of them. I'll do the rest of them while I'm explaining. Because, you know, when it comes to projects and Logic, and you're zooming in and zooming out all the time and working on specific loops and all of this stuff, it's easy to kind of visually get lost, and, you know, you forget how many bars into the project you are, or you're not sure whether this part should be another chorus now, just based on see, look, I'm visually forgetting what this was meant to be. This was the chorus section. How have I messed this up? Oh yeah, this was the pre-chorus. All right, so another thing you can do is drag them around. I'm gonna drag the verse there. This is actually a pre-chorus. Drag the chorus back here, and then verse plus chorus. Yeah, it's easy to get lost in your project, so a marker is just a really good way of keeping things organized. Another good way of keeping things organized is by color coordinating, which I'll show you how to do in a second. Outro. So this is our very short song. Look at that, it just really keeps things easier. But yeah, in terms of that color thing I was talking about, all you have to do is highlight, drop down the more tools, colors, and select whatever color you want to do each section as. You know, and color coding is actually probably the fastest way of visually seeing where something is once you get used to your key, your color key. But the marker is also a really good way. So yeah, start using that in your projects. And that's the end of another great Logic Pro Academy video. Just quick tips, just really tidbits that I wish I knew coming up faster, because they really do make a difference. I'm going to be adding more and more videos each day, so don't worry. If there's any things that I'm doing that you feel like, raw, like how did you do that to get to there, I'll explain more of those in future videos. But also a great option is to go and check out our more advanced course. It's still a course for beginners. So if you don't know much about Logic Pro, it's still really good for you. And even if you do, there's guaranteed to be stuff in the course that will help you as well that you probably don't know. But if you're a beginner, you don't need to feel left out. It's definitely more so for you. By the end of it, you'll be feeling advanced. You'll feel like a master Logic Pro. So to check out that course, you want to go to logicproacademy.com or check out the link in the description. It's truly a phenomenal course. It's honestly, I put a lot into it. It's a great course. I've got a good team that helped me do it as well at Logic Pro Academy. So you're well taken care of. But for now, please leave me a comment, just letting me know what else you might want me to talk about, any feedback, and I'll get right on it. You can be as harsh as you want. As harsh as you want, I'm here for it. And yeah, take care, have a good day, love producing, make some beats, and never give up. Never give up your hope, because you can do it. You can be whatever you want in this game. Honestly, you can. They try and make you think that you can't, but you know what? The most important thing when it comes to doing anything is your mindset. And I know that sounds so cliche, but it's honestly true. Like, as you think is as you are. So if you believe that you can't do something, you'll never be able to do it. Now, that's not to say that certain things aren't are more likely and less likely, or harder and less likely to happen. But if you have the thought and the mindset that you can't do it regardless, then it doesn't matter. You've already definitely lost. And for every person that's in a certain position, you might want to see yourself like someone, a top selling BeatStars producer, or a producer with numerous placements that's working with big artists. They started exactly where you are every time, 100% of the time. So it can be done. And if they never believed it could happen, then they wouldn't be where they are either. So never ever give up that hope, and stay motivated. I'm also gonna have some inspiration and motivation videos coming as well, because I feel like I've got a lot to share. I've been in this game such a long time. I mean, I've sold beats internationally. I've got big placements with verified artists. I've got placements with Odd Future and stuff like that. I've also sold a lot of beats with an independent beat selling business. And I've just used and loved Logic Pro for so many years. So honestly, I do this mainly out of passion. And I want you to be able to feel confident in yourself using Logic Pro. So keep with it, keep with me, and keep with us. And I'm telling you, you're going to be a master in no time. But alright, take care. That's enough waffle for today. Cheers, mate.